Have you ever heard of a sugar fingerprint? Not the kind you find on your phone after eating donuts. I'm talking about a breakthrough in medical science that could actually save lives. Let me set the stage. Fungal infections, especially those caused by species, are a massive but often overlooked global health problem. Every year, millions get infected and sadly millions die, mostly those who are already battling weakened immune systems. And the worst part, diagnosing these infections is a slow, frustrating experience. Traditional tests can take days, waiting for blood samples to grow in a lab, while patients get sicker, sometimes fatally so. But what if we could spot the culprit almost instantly? That's exactly what a group of researchers from the Max Planck Institute, the University Hospital of Cologne, and the University of Exeter have been working on. Their secret weapon? Sugars. See, the outer shell of fungi is mostly made of special sugars called glycans. Think of these like a unique barcode or fingerprint for each species. The researchers managed to synthesize these sugar fingerprints in the lab and print them onto tiny glass slides, creating what's called a glycan microarray. Now here's the clever part. They take a small blood sample from someone who might have a fungal infection and wash it over the microarray. If there are antibodies in the sample that stick to specific sugars, a fluorescent tag lights up the slide, making the infection instantly obvious. It's quick, it's accurate, and it's a real game changer. This method could tell doctors in minutes not just if someone has an infection, but exactly which species was causing trouble. That means faster, more targeted treatment and isolation, especially important in hospitals where drug-resistant fungi can run wild. Plus, this test uses just a tiny drop of blood, so no more endless tubes for patients who are already fragile. But it gets even cooler. By mapping which sugar fingerprints our immune system reacts to, scientists can actually design new vaccines. Imagine a shot that trains your body to recognize and destroy these deadly fungi before they ever get a foothold. This is the same principle behind some of our most successful bacterial vaccines. So what's next? Researchers are working to turn this technology into a simple bedside test, maybe even a strip like a glucose meter, fast, reliable, and possibly life-saving. It's a great reminder. Sometimes solving big problems is about noticing the tiny details, like the sugars on a single cell. And in this case, those microscopic fingerprints could be the difference between life and death. If you're fascinated by science that has real-world impact, make sure you subscribe for more stories just like this one. Thanks for watching.